This is a very important subject one must think over. Many depression cases ultimately lead into suicide. There is always a room for correction. Today's topic is called depression in the youth. Hi, very good evening. Today, under our series of lectures on youth and truth, we are going to discuss on a very important topic which affects basically the youngsters. Today's topic is called depression in the youth. Friends, as you know that in today's world, you might have noticed many of the youngsters are going into depression. Depression is a mental disorder. If you take the statistics of WHO, every fourth youngster is a depressed person. If you look at India and Indian youth and its statistics on depression, you will find in last 4 years, 40,000 young spirits have gone into depression. And last year, the suicide is around 9,000. So friends, why this result, the whole issue of depression looms large among the youngsters? It's such alarming topic. Why a young who is so much bubbling with energy, enthusiasm and lot of hopes and dreams, why somebody goes into depression? You might have noticed that many youngsters, they are depressed in different ways. Somebody could not get the proper marks in the examination. Somebody could not complete the studies. Somebody is not a very smart enough or an introvert type in a class, or family history of people who are little depressed in their lives. So there are many ways one feel that depression comes in. A youngster, a young man or woman, why somebody will go to depression? So depression has many such socio-economic, psychological reasons why somebody goes into depression. And it's extremely important that people should know that they are into depression. Their parents, their peer groups must understand that somebody has gone into depression, because the young person in adolescent age doesn't have the power or have the understanding power to know that he is into depression. You might have noticed many youngsters, they say that I can't do this. This is not possible on my part. So this very self-defeating attitude on the part of a young person is a symptom of depression. If this kind of attitude continues for a fortnight, then you understand that somebody has gone to depression. And depression is, there are many shades of depression. Some always you feel scared, always you feel low, always you feel that I can't do it, or you cannot dream high, or you cannot dream big. You can always be into a limited black box where you operate. Always you feel that you can't do this, you can't do this. So friends, it is an extremely terrible mental disorder which actually dampens your spirit. What you can do, you cannot do under such circumstances. So if you look at the studies, a lot of psychological, lot of psychiatric studies have been taken place in many of the celebrated institutions in the globe and nationally also. We have found out that a young man and woman is basically a product of his circumstances. He is not proper guided during his initial stage of failures, or if somebody doesn't get a good mark in the class, or somebody is not selected in a particular sports event, be it hockey, be it any other sports, or he fails in some competition or any reality show. If a kid goes to a reality show and could not finally click it, you find that the person goes into a negativity. This negative syndrome sometimes may be very fatal. People take a lot of initiatives to self-harm. For example, many depression cases ultimately lead into suicides. So friends, this is a very important subject one must think over. Why should people go in depression? So my only suggestion here is that To eradicate depression, there are 4-5 important steps you must understand. First, always be positive, always think positive, always give a sunshine smile. Whatever happens in life, take it very casually. Always think that there is always a room for correction, always there is a room for improvement. You can do this. If it's also an advice to the peer groups and the parents, that if they feel that the children is not comfortable mentally and feeling scared or feeling that he can't do it and negativity creeps in, then they can also be serious and they say they should encourage him. They should not discourage him. In fact, many parents, they always compare the students with the children of others. This competition should not be there in his mind. Always try to motivate the children, encourage him. Last point is very important, that whenever you feel that you are feeling very low, or you are feeling that there is a negativity already crept in you, or you feel that, then it is the child who needs to be guided, or who needs to be counseled properly by the psychiatric or the doctors, a team of doctors. You can consult, you can go to a psychiatric, you can talk to them. It is always the communication. Many depressed youngsters, they don't communicate. So it is not the silence, it is the communication. It is the way to talk to him, to erase his whatever he feels. This can make him positive. The positivity can come back, the enthusiasm can come back, and he can still smile. So depression as a mental disease should not be allowed to go ahead. It should be arrested as soon as possible by everybody, by the person himself if he is conscious. If he cannot understand, maybe by parents or by the peer groups, or eventually, if not, then by the right kind of doctors. So this is the thing, always feel positive. Depression should take a back seat. All the best.